Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best electric bikes, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best electric bikes options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which electric bikes is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Aventon Level 3. Until now, the Aventon Level 2 was bicycling's best overall e-bike. It reigned for 2.5 years, and judging by the number of levels we see on the roads, bike paths, and rail trails, many riders are fans of Aventon's highly functional and sharply priced commuter e-bike too. However, a new bike now claims the best overall electric bike title, Aventon's Level 3. Aventon's updates to the level focus largely on comfort, aesthetics, and usability. Some changes are quite visible, while others, like the electronic wheel lock, are almost entirely hidden. The 3rd gen level receives 2 notable rider comfort updates compared to the Level 2. One is a suspension seat post to smooth the ride and add some cush for the tush. The other is an adjustable rise stem with up to 90 degrees of angle adjustment. Aventon's most significant update is one that many riders may gloss over when shopping for an e-bike, but some users might find it quite useful. Introduced last year on the brand's Abound SR cargo bike, the Level 3's new ACU adds several smart features to the already well-equipped platform. The wheel lock and motion sensor alarm are passive theft deterrents when you stop for a mid-ride coffee or run into the post office. A 4G chip in the ACU provides GPS tracking from Aventon's mobile app, so you can find your bike if you forget where you locked it. 4G connectivity also allows you to set geofence restrictions on your Level 3 for teens or housemates. Number 2. Aventon Aventure 3. Compared to earlier iterations of the Aventure, the 3rd generation model rides more smoothly and feels more like a premium bike. Aventon's new torque sensor allows more control over the acceleration of Aventure's 750-watt rear hub motor. Lighter weight testers found earlier models to have too much torque, but this Aventure remedied that fault. Additional premium features include a new head unit interface, integrated turn signals, a front light, a rear rack, and fenders for keeping clean. The Aventure 3 is an excellent fat tire e-bike for commuters, especially on snowy days and gravel pathways. Off-roading, it excels on double-track trails and cinder paths, but with this burly bike's weight and components, it has limited functionality on single-track and more aggressive mountain trails. Number 3. Aventon Soltera 2.5. This relatively affordable 7-speed model from Aventon delivers simplicity and style that was tough to beat, and now even more so with hydraulic disc brakes on this revamped version. Simply push the throttle to get started and the brushless hub motor kicks in, assisting you more gently as you begin pedaling. The Soltera features disc brakes and integrated light and turn signals. The battery is hidden in the bike's frame, a surprising feature compared to the bolt-on vibe of many bikes in this price range. Best for smoother roads and bike paths, the Soltera delivers the essential features a city rider needs in a strikingly light 46-pound package. Number 4. Aventon Abound LR. Aventon's Abound LR is the rare $2,000 cargo e-bike that doesn't feel like a compromise. It's built to shoulder daily life, daycare drop-offs and pickups, grocery runs, and commuting without demanding the premium mid-drive price of its competitors, and it rides with more polish than the spec sheet would suggest. This is a great option for families and utility-minded riders who want a full-length longtail that can handle kids, panniers, and weekly shops without stretching the budget. It's ideal for riders who value comfort and stability over top-end speed. If you're comparing it to other e-cargo bikes on the market, it feels more polished than budget longtails like the Lectric Expedition 2.0 and Rad Power's Radwagon 5, but costs far less than premium mid-drive cargo rigs from Tern, Cannondale, and Trek. Number 5. Lectric XP4. The Lectric XP4 is a striking e-folder with 3-inch wide tires on 20-inch wheels and an industrial-styled forged aluminum frame. The battery is integrated into the frame, which powers a 500-watt hub motor with 55 Newton-meters of torque. This gives the XP4 up to a claimed 50 miles of range. Optional upgrades include a 750-watt motor and a larger battery to bump the range up to a claimed 85 miles. miles. An 8-speed drivetrain provides gearing for varied terrain, and there's a throttle to let you zip along pedal-free. It includes a 50mm travel suspension fork, as well as a large LCD screen. Number 6. Blix Vika X. Thanks to a 500-watt rear hub motor and folding mechanisms in the down tube and stem, the Vika Flex goes fast, folds fast, and stows well. Its 614 watt-hour battery delivers up to 70 miles of range, and a throttle provides on-demand blasts of oomph, helpful on steep climbs or when leaving stoplights. It comes with a 7-speed Shimano tourney drivetrain, a rear rack rated to carry up to 60, integrated LED lights with brake indicator and turn signals, a bell cleverly integrated into the left brake lever, front and rear fenders, ergonomic grips, and 2.4-inch tires. And the new version uses hydraulic disc brakes, an upgrade over the previous version's rim brakes.